That's
Yeah,
9.
Sig, we found out the Mutsuki is fantastic in Tier 10 battles.
Yeah,
All
it is.
yesterday we were going wins and draws, and I was getting a kill or 2 kill every game. Today, it's worked out decent. We had a rough start, but it's playing out pretty good, so apparently Mutsuki's decent at Tier 10. I just do not know. It is perplexing.
That's alright. Me and Seth and Wasted were in a tier 10 match in our tier 7s yesterday? The day before yesterday? And we were the top 3. We had
That's
all
fantastic.
the kills.
That's,
Yeah.
That's fantastic.
were you with us, Ben, when I had 5 kills on my terps, and I think you had 4? Was that you or someone else? But yeah,
I think that was me.
yeah, yeah, it was you. I had 5 kills on my terp.
Didn't you record that video?
Yeah, I
Isn't
did.
that the one you just put up?
No, I haven't done that yet. I might record that after I play today. But I need to go through my recordings, and then I'm gonna post that up there. We have 5 kills, and Ben had 4 kills. That was ridiculous. That was a carry.
It sounds like mine and Wasted's games.
I like how
We
we're
have
calling
that
them
shit
wasted
all
now.
the time.
Have you noticed there's so many bad Turpits players out there? Like,
Well, it's because-
really bad, so bad.
I mean, you can just buy it and play it, man. It was
Yeah.
the same thing with the
Yeah.
Atago when it first came out.
Jeez.
Really. Even the Murmansk and the Grimiachi. It was like, poof! Here are these players that never played low tiers, or even had an understanding of the game.
Yep. Yeah, a lot of people don't know the basic, like, they don't have an understanding on how to play battleships, pretty much. They think that that ship is just stay in the back and snipe, and that's it. That's not what that ship's for, and that's not what playing a battleship's about, really. But that's how they're playing it. Like
I
idiots.
so miss not having my incoming alert.
You miss having it.
Oh yeah, I miss having it. This shit's rough.
Don't hit me, Phoenix. Don't do it.
The Cleveland's gonna beat your
Problem solved, sir.
Yes, he is.
Team is taking the lead.
Enemy cruiser foundered.
The backing up strategy appears to be working very good for him.
Yeah.
Don't you hate it when the island gets in the way?
What's up?
As I hate it when the island just pops out of nowhere.
That big island, right?
Yeah.
Just like, oh, surprise I'm here. Jeez.
I'm so glad this one isn't a ranked game. This is so bad.
Congo's next to be set on fire.
Four ships down, and they don't have one done yet.
Wow, alien star.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm hitting the island. That's why I'm not hitting them. It's like, where are my shells going?
Enemy battleship foundered.
Guys, I'm gonna die. It's all up to you now.
Damn it, the enemy fucking me.
Oh, this cocksucker's just wall riding, bitch.
Yep. I think the wall should take some of your health while you're on it.
I thought they fixed that shit.
And have it equivalent to fire and flooding damage simultaneously. You know, make it so that people really try to avoid the thing instead of using it.
Enemy cruiser sunk.
Main turret critically damaged.
Damn, Chief. Tell him.
Problem solved, sir.
Copy. Oh shit, they're gonna win. Try to cap B if you can.
Yeah. I did a lot of damage this game. But didn't get the kills.
Oh shit. New York.
Take B or it's over. No, it's damn near over. It is over. Murmansk versus New York. Who will be victor?
Probably.
You got them torps.
I got it. He doesn't.
You got them torps. He's showing you a pretty good side.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for him to do his salvo.
Yep.
I don't want to show him.
Nope. That's what he was hoping you would do.
I know.
So he's smart, you're smart.
Okay, on that note, I'm gonna quit the game tonight.
Alright.
Have a good one, man.
We had a carrier. Our carrier didn't do a damn thing and bitched the
secondary.
whole time. Literally. It was two Ryujos, too. Dude just bitching about the other Ryujo because he has fighters. And then he just took all of his planes to the corner of the map. And refused to play the rest of the time. So we had no scout for DDs. There are plenty of Turpus that didn't have fighter cover that he could have attacked because they got shit for AA.
Did you like that, Ben? Almost full
I
health.
did.
Full health New York versus a crippled Murmansk.
It was pretty fantastic. I thought you were going to ram his ass. I was like, well, don't do it. Let the fire get him. But I didn't want to interrupt the
User
six beacon.
disconnected from your channel.
No, we lost. Damn.
Yeah.
They might have 4 kills too. Shit.
I'm okay that we didn't have that as a victory. I know you're not, but
We were top 3, man.
considering my performance, that ain't saying much for our team. But I did do a shit ton of damage.